Master skills and be the best with Anil Kumar. Here is another very interesting question for your logical and algebraic skills. Let us master the skills and learn new strategies to beat the competition. The question here is: Peter has mean M of his quiz score. If Peter scores 11 on the next quiz, his mean will increase by 1. If he scores 11 on each of the next 3 quizzes, his mean will increase by 2. Find the value of M. 4 options are given to you. You can pause the video, answer, and then look into my suggestions. Well, in case you want to learn from me directly, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top getting admission to the best universities. So let's read the question once again. Define our variables. We're saying Peter has a mean of m, so we have mean value of m of his quizzes scores. If Peter scores 11 on next quiz, his mean will increase by 1. Number of quizzes, let it be q. So the total score will be how much? MQ in that case is total score, correct? Perfect. Now what happens if he gets 11 in the next quiz? 11 in the next quiz means the mean will become m plus 1, right? Quiz will become q plus 1 and total will be mq plus 11. Makes sense? Because in the next quiz, the score is 11. So that gives us one equation. And the equation for us is m plus 1 times q plus 1, right, equals to mq plus 11. You can simplify this, expand, simplify. So we get mq plus m plus q plus 1 equals to mq plus 11. mq cancel, right, from both the sides. And you're left with m plus q equals to 11 minus 1, which is 10. Let me call this as equation 1. Make sense? Now let's look into the second condition given to us. If he scores 11 on each of the next 3, so we'll add to the number of quizzes, next 3 means 1 plus 3, 4. His mean will increase by 2, right? So the mean becomes, instead of plus 1, it becomes 2. And quizzes now are 1 plus 3, 4. And the score will be mq plus. Next 3 is 33, right? 3 11s, so 44. And that gives us an equation m plus 2 times q plus 4 equals to mq plus 44. Makes sense? Let's expand. mq plus 4m plus 2q plus 8 equals to mq plus 44. Let's simplify just as we did earlier, right? We get 4m plus 2q equals to 44 minus 8. 44 minus 8, which is 36. Dividing by 2, we get 2m plus q equals to 80. Right? Let's call this as equation 2. Perfect. Now, using equation 1 and 2, we can find the answer, right? I'd like you to pause the video, write down the answer. Let's take it to the next page for the complete solution. So we get m plus q equals to 10 as our equation number 1 and 2m plus q equals to 18 as the equation number 2. So what happens when you do equation 2 minus equation 1? So 2m minus m is m, and here we get 0, 18 minus 10. So m is equal to 8. So that becomes the solution for this particular question. You see how we have formed equation from the given situation and then worked on those system of equations to get the answer. I hope that works. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.